gonna do this. I know y'all probably seen a couple of videos on this. But I'm just opening it. First time opening it. I ain't even looked at it. Here we go, here we go. Ooh. Here's your boy. I got my man on there. BB. There we go. Oh, I ain't get just one of them. Oh man. I bought two of them. I ain't afraid of that. I bought both of them. Got the moisturizer. Got that butter. Let me check me out real quick. Let me check me out. Let me see. Oh, that smells pretty good. Looks good. Can you get it out? Look at that. You gotta let that sit out for a little while. Then just get it in the mail. Oh, that smells good. That smells good. Yeah. Man. I'm a little bit hard. Let me see here, man. What's going on here? Okay. Okay. I'm putting the hand down a little bit of oil right there. I ain't got nowhere to put this, man. I don't have nowhere to put this. Matter of fact, don't help us. Let's go. Who cares? Who cares? Some moisturizer. Some moisturizer. Who cares? It smells pretty good. It smells real good, actually. I don't know what that smell is, but I know I've heard smell that before, but I don't know what that smell is. I don't know what it is, though. I can't get this out. I have to let this sit for a second. But yeah, that's it. Unboxing. I'm gonna see what happens. Let this sit out for a while. Just got it out the mailbox. It's kind of cold outside, so need a little bit of stiff right now. So other than that, that was it. I ain't really had too much to talk about. Just want to do a little unboxing with y'all. I'll let you boy. Stay ready. You ain't got to get ready. You heard me? That's understood. It ain't got to be explained. Make it happen. Let's ride. Doses. What's good? It's your boy Him280 back with another video. In this video, check me out. I'm gonna start. I ain't like that. Hang on.